नमस्कार, स्वागत करता हूं आप सबों का अपने अगले वीडियो में। आज की वीडियो में हम कोशिश करेंगे टेरिटोरियल आर्मी के बारे में कुछ बेसिक जानकारी लेने की। द लैंग्वेज विल बी बाइलिंगुअल, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश। सो द टीए आर्मी रिक्रूटमेंट and the eligibility for that will be explained, and how the questions would be asked will also be explained. So the TA Army eligibility criteria includes each and every applicants must be graduates from an accredited institution in order to be considered for this position. Age limit. Candidates' age should be between 18 and 42 years old as of the final day of application submission, that is on the last day of the application process. So the cutoff date was 19th of August 2021 for this examination, for this year's paper. It is one of the best examination if you are looking forward to join in an army, and if you really want to be a part of Indian Army. You will get a lot of other benefits like you will get promotion to higher levels in the defense forces. You will get CSD facilities, medical care with no cost, and permanent posting as well. So let's discuss about few things. Two papers will be there for Indian Army. Territorial Army, I must say. On the screen you can see the first paper, which was conducted on 26th of September. This paper will consist of reasoning and elementary mathematics. Maximum marks will be 100. Negative markings 0.5. Each and every question will consist of 1 mark, and the timing will be given 120 minutes for 100 marks. So 2 hours examination, and this will be the first sitting of examination. Elementary mathematics and reasoning. Reasoning section will be very easy. You can easily achieve 35 to 40 questions, but do not start with reasoning. Always go ahead with elementary mathematics. Minimum 40% marks you will have to get in order to clarify the each and every section. So in mathematics 20 and in reasoning you need to score 20 and overall 50. So you can go ahead with 20 maths and 30 reasoning questions. Always start with mathematics and try to achieve 20 to 25 marks. If you will attempt 25 marks, you may get 20 marks and you will easily qualify the examination, because mathematics is the key in order to qualify this examination. Do not make a mistake. I repeat, do not make a mistake. Always start the examination from mathematics section. You may take 120 minutes, no issues. The complete 120 minutes will have two separate sections of 60-60. Use 80 minutes in mathematics and 40 in logical reasoning, because you will easily achieve 30 marks in reasoning, but the questions in mathematics will be tough. In the upcoming videos, I will explain each and every section, and I will also explain the questions which was asked in 2021 and previous year questions as well. On the screen you can see the instructions for paper 1. Now moving ahead with the second paper. So the second paper, this is, you can see the second paper. Now the second paper also consists of 100 marks. The maximum marks will be 100. 2 hours time limit, 1 marks for each question, and negative marking of 0.5 for each incorrect answer. The section would consist general knowledge and English. Again, it will not fetch a lot of time. You may complete the complete session within 100 minutes if you are well prepared. So you can start from English, and you can later on complete general knowledge. And overall you'll have to get 50 marks. So 40% marks in each section. That means in general awareness or general knowledge you need to get 20 marks to qualify the exam, and 20 marks to qualify the specific section for English. Overall 50 marks you need to have in order to qualify this examination. Overall 200 marks. The complete marks are 200 maximum mark, and you will have to score 100 out of 200 in order to qualify for the next round. So start preparing. It is one of the easiest examination if you are well prepared, and you will get a lot of opportunity to join Indian Army, serve the country, be an officer, and lead India. I'll get back with other explanation of all the 4 sections. Stay tuned. Thank you.